This is the power of levels. Once again, it is proven. I have told so many times gold is looking forward to 1808. Those who watch and follow me regularly must recall this number. I have told multiple times now. 1808 gold has achieved yesterday with the inflation data in US and retraced back again, got the support at 1783, now trading at 1790. Similarly, silver failed to go past 2100, now trading with a moderately bearish bias. Now what is going to happen today, which position you should take in order to make profit, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Let's start the day. See, gold did see a breakout yesterday with the inflation data where it has achieved 1808 levels. Now if you look at moderately trying to trade in this channel, and this is a bearish channel. If you look on the hourly charts, yes, it is trying to again attempt and achieve this zone at 1795 levels, but only bullishness is if it trades beyond 1795. Till the time it trades below 1795, we can again expect it to drop. So be cautious of 1795. Also you can see 1785-84 zone has again provided it a very strong support. I have told at this position also, here also that 1784 is strong support, and if it breaks on the downside, yes, we can see a drop, and if it continues to trade above, we can see possibly a retracement. And you can see here again 1785 has come to rescue. Now it is trying to look upwards, but this is overbought on the hourly charts. Just be watchful of 1795 now. Directional movement is bullish on the hourly charts. Stochastic is overbought and hence it may see a drop. MACD has crossed over and this is a bullish crossover. RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, likewise, if you see it has seen the rise. Now look at this channel. See, you have to eliminate the noise. This was the noise due to the inflation data, and this is the trading behavior of gold. Basically it is trying to trade in this channel. Now I'll look forward to 1795 levels. Yes, if it trades above 1795, then you can go long again, and then one can again expect it to hit, see, 1795, something which will definitely provide a stronger resistance. Till the time it trades below 1795, I'll not recommend you to stay long. So yes, it is getting the resistance at the top of this channel, but then the next resistance is at 1795. Yes, if it trades above this channel and achieves 1795, definitely we can see it again achieving 1800 and plus levels. On the downside, be watchful of 1785. Below that, yes, you can go short. Directional movement has crossed over for a bullish move. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is trading bearish, but it is trying and willing to converge. RSI is moderately trading with a bullish bias. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, here it is trying to show you a reversal, but also at the same time one must observe it is giving you lower highs here, and lower highs indicates that till the time it trades below this zone at 1795, I will not recommend you to go long again. At the same time, look at this. This is the second green candle after the retracement, and probably now the third green candle I'll watch out for. Only if it breaks beyond 1795, you should go long. Then 1798 and 1801 will come into picture. Beyond that, it will fly high. Below 1785, you can go short, but be watchful here at 1783. Below that, definitely a stronger break will come. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is trading at bottom, looking upwards from here. And if you look at the MACD, this is trading bearish till now. RSI looking upward. On the 4-hour charts too, similarly, it is trying to trade in this channel. I'll definitely watch out for this zone. If it breaks beyond this, definitely one can consider that as a reversal, and one can again expect it to rise high. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at oversold levels and may try to bounce back. The MACD is wide, divergent and bearish. RSI is trading upwards and sloping upwards. Now if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. Previous two candle, higher highs, higher lows. Now if we consider that it is going to replicate this, see, it has achieved the lows there, it may try to achieve the high. Once it breaks past 1795, probably it may again try to look back till towards 1800, 1803 levels. So yes, you can go along at those levels, and then you can expect it to rise. First target 1798, then 1801, 1803 zone, then 1808 levels will come into picture. Beyond that, it will fly high. This is one observation. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking downwards here. And if you look at the MACD, this is bullish. It is willing to converge. RSI is near to top, and on the weekly charts too. See, on the weekly candle, it has already seen the highs there. It is trying to trade in this channel, and see the support here is strong, and that is what it is failing to break past by. Now you can also see it is getting the resistance on the upside precisely at 1808. If it breaks past this, definitely one can see a stronger move. So for the day, I will recommend you to go long. Yes, you can go long also at 1792, but then 1795 is something you have to watch out for. Beyond 1792, you can go long, but watch out for 1795. And on the upside, 1798, 180103 zone, and then 1808 will come into picture. Beyond that, it will fly high. So take your positions accordingly. On the downside, be watchful of 1784 levels. Below 1784, yes, you can go short, and below 1784, you can expect it to drop till towards 1778, 1770, and 1760 levels will come into picture. Let's see. I think so. It is still bullish, and it may still see some rise. But in order to make profits and save profits, you have to trade cautiously. Yes, you can go long above 1792, expect it to rise a little till 1795. Be watchful. See, in gold, if it's a $2 move, you have to put your stop loss at cost. Even if it is a $2, if your trade is in a $2 gain, you can put your stop loss to cost such that in case of a reversal, at least you are safe with your capital. So when I say $2 means 1792, you have taken entry. If you see it at 1794.95, immediately shift your stop loss to 1792, and once it trades above 1795, shift your stop loss to 1795. So preserve your capital and preserve your profit. This is the art here. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, on the other hand, is consolidating a bit. Lower highs, higher lows. It is failing to go past by. And if you look at it here, only level I look forward to is 2060. If it breaks past by 2060, go long above 2060. Then again you can expect 2080 and 2100 levels this time. On the downside, you should be cautious of 2040. See how many times I have told 2040, 2060. Now this time you should be, rather you can go short at 2045 itself, and below that you can expect it to drop a little. Directional movement is not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is converging for a crossover for a bullish move. RSI is near to bottom. Similarly on the 2-hour charts, lower highs, higher lows, failing to break out either which ways. Go short at 2045, go long about 2060. Above 2060 you can remain bullish. Below 2045 you can remain bearish. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, likewise on the 3-hour charts, see it is showing a green candle, but it is still failing to go past the highs of this channel. At the same time, it has definitely achieved, and it appears it is trying to trade in this channel, and that is why I say go long only about 2060. And remember, 2040 is very strong support. Yes, you can go short at 2045, but be watchful and cautious at 2040. If it breaks below 2040, see it has formed a high there, and below this we can see a stronger drop. So if it breaks below 2040, go short and stay short. Directional movement is bullish, but it is willing to converge. Stochastic is at bottom. MACD is bearish. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, similarly you can see lower highs, lower lows trying to trade in this channel. Next candle I will definitely be watchful of. If it breaks past by 2060, yes, you can stay long for 2070, 2080 and 2100. On the downside, be watchful of 2045. Below that, yes, you can go short for 2040, and below that it will break for 2030, 2020 levels. Directional movement bullish, is willing to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bearish. It has just crossed over. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts carefully. Observe the charts here. Higher highs, lower lows. Pivot is at 2060. And yes, if you see it trading beyond 2060, go long. Very clear. Beyond that, you can expect 2080, 2090 levels can be achieved. First resistance at 2070 is there, then 2075, then 2080, and then beyond that it may try to achieve 2090 and 2100 levels. 2100 is the level you have to be watchful of. On the downside, if it breaks below 2045, go short, but 2040 you have to watchful of, and then 2030 and 2020 will come. 2020 is definitely a stronger support. Then 2000 levels are going to be seen. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 2045 and 2060. Any trade above and below, you can take a long and short entry accordingly. Keep your stop losses accordingly. Trade with the stop loss and keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Keep trailing your stop loss. So trade accordingly. Join my mentorship batch. Join my VIP signals group. The next batch is going to get announced soon. Be a part of my free Telegram channel. Links are mentioned in the Telegram and video and channel description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.